Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a really frustrating iPhone issue, when you see an MDM profile installed on your device but there's no option to remove it. This usually happens if your iPhone was once managed by a company, school, or another organization. Don't worry, I'll walk you through different ways to deal with this problem. Normally, you can go to Settings, tap General, tap VPN and Device Management. Here, you should see the MDM profile and an option to remove it. But sometimes, the Remove Management button just doesn't appear. If that's the case, your options are limited. You could try contacting the original organization that enrolled a device and ask them to remove it remotely. But honestly, that's not always possible, especially if you bought the phone from someone else. So what if you can't contact the original owner? That's where third-party software comes in. One of the most reliable tools I've tested is MagFone iPhone Unlocker. With MagFone, you can bypass or remove MDM restrictions even if the remove option is missing. Unlock your iPhone without needing the previous owner's details, and it works on almost all iOS versions and iPhone models. All you need to do is connect your iPhone to your computer, launch MagFone iPhone Unlocker, select the Remove MDM option, and follow the on-screen steps. Within minutes, your iPhone will be free from those management restrictions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and drop a comment if you've run into this problem before.